Hey everybody, welcome to DIY Everything. Today we're going to be making this super cute origami heart. So, first up, what you need is a piece of origami paper. So first, what you're going to do is do this. So you have this. Crease it nicely. Give it a good crease, really good. There we go. Now you're going to unfold it. So you get this. Do the same thing, but the other way. Now when you unfold it, you get this. Then, you're gonna fold it like this, in half. And then you're gonna fold it back like this. And see that? It's made lines here. On this side for me, for some reason, it hasn't made lines. It's made opposite. Like that. But yeah. So see, you've made the line on one side. So first, what you're gonna do is using this line, you're gonna fold it again, make a nice good crease, and unfold it. Then you're gonna fold this back like this. And then unfold this down and fold this like this. And then fold this back. But first, to unfold that, so it was like this, right? Unfold that fold, and then do this. Unfold it, and put this like this. So you get this. And then you refold it. And now you've got lines on both sides. So, and in the middle, you're gonna fold these two corners here. Wait, let me turn this around. You're gonna fold these two corners here to the center line. Like that. So you get this. See that? Then you're gonna flip it over, and then and then take it out like this. So there's a pocket there, and then tuck these corners back in to there. Like this. So you should have this now. But if you fold it a certain way where it doesn't end up looking like this, then what you can do is, oh no, mine just like unfolded. What you can do here is take it back like this and then fold these corners down like this. And if you still think it might look a little bit weird, what you can do is fold these corners in to the sides. And then fold this again. Like that, and then fold it again here to the side. Like that. And, oh yeah, I'm gonna give this a fold down. There. Mine doesn't look so good, but I think it looks pretty good. So thanks for watching. Bye. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe.